Meaning of flint.
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 Flint. The word flint typically refers to a hard, sedimentary mineral composed of microcrystalline quartz that often has a conchoidal fracture. Flint is frequently used in the manufacturing of tools and weapons due to its ability to hold a sharp edge. It is also commonly used in fire-starting kits because it can create sparks when struck against steel. Outside of these practical uses, flint has also played a symbolic role in various cultures throughout history, representing strength, endurance, and resilience.